Good morning, everybody. Let's see what's going on. We got a little bit of small red futures, and as I pointed out last week on Friday, we got 4-hour MACD's dead cross. It's a short week. I explained what is short week theory on Friday. You can check that out. So we'll see if it's gonna happen or not. So far, we are still very strong on weekly. We got dark blue bars. And the ES daily is a little bit curved down, so we'll see what the news or stuff gonna happen. Pre-market right now it went down. The futures were red, but at 8 o'clock we bounced up a little bit. So 15 minutes back, this golden cross. It's still 30 and 1 hour is bearish, and the 4 hour is pointing down. So if the 30 MACD golden cross, we can run up. But if market opens and falls at 5 minutes MACD dead cross, we can go down, and low of pre-market is a key level to watch. Um, NQ. Same thing like ES, 30 minutes, we got yellow bar is flashing on the TTM squeeze, 15 is not golden cross yet. Same direction like ES for now. Dow Jones, good morning Amnon. Um, then we got 4 hour, the 1 hour is golden cross Dow Jones, that's interesting. RUT showing more strength than other indexes, is green at least compared to other ones red. 1530 and 1 hour is upward, so that's interesting. Maybe some money flow into small caps, keep an eye on that one. DXY pre-market 4 hour is dead crossing, that's a good sign too. If DXY falls more, 103.676 is the next key target. This one, if it falls, text can run up higher. TNX 0.24. So 15:30 1 hour is pointing up, 42.45 is a key level to watch. Mixed signal on the 4 hour daily and weekly, just all over the place, not a clear direction overall. Wix is opening almost 4% higher. It's opening above 13.07. 4 hour MACD's golden cross. So watch 1373. If the 1373 breaks this week, not gonna be a good sign, and next target is 1414, 1447, 1479. Pre-market right now is a little bit weakening, so we'll see. If it falls, 1307 is the next key. If it jumps, at 1373 is a key level to watch. Past that one, it can cause more trouble for market. BTC, a big jump up there, 5% higher, and 4 hour MACD's golden cross upward again. It was dead cross, then golden cross. So it's all about 70k. If this one 70k breaks again, it can have a big effect on market, cryptos especially, then the rest of the market. ETH, we're getting a red bar on the TTM squeeze. All right, let's go to equities. Apple. So Apple is opening 1 point lower. 1 hour MACD is dead cross, which is not a good sign. When the 4 hour MACD is pointing down on the MACD and the TTM squeeze, and then the 30 MACD dead cross, and then 1 hour MACD dead cross, not gonna be a good sign. So 169.95, watch that one. If it can hold, next target is 166.15, 168, 167.56, 166.15. Need to get above 171.47 for running back up. Which it tried last 2 days, but we'll see if it's gonna do today or not. 5 is upward, 15 is kind of flat, so we'll see the opening action. 171.47 pass, and next major is 173.54. Amazon is just trying so hard to stay near 180. It needs a news or upgrade or some catalyst to pass this 180 strong. All-time high I think is 186, 188. So we'll see. Everybody wants all-time high on that one, but nothing so far. 4 hour MACD is dead cross. It's hovering around 178. So 2 key levels to watch is 180.02, 177.43. Passes either way, can make a bigger move. Nvidia, very strong on Friday, but it was kind of. Let me show you guys something. The movements were like this, going up, coming down, going up, then coming down, and going up and coming down. And then on top of that, if you look at the IV, here's look at the IV. The IV was very interesting. It was going, they were pushing the IV, then it was going lower. And they were pushing it up again, then they're pushing it lower. It wasn't like a constant run up. So they were killing premiums on every drop, not too fast, but at the beginning there was fast killing. But then later on, when it goes higher, the killing was slower until here they kill it bigger, and then they at the end of the day, when it jumped it bigger. So the reason I'm saying this is because this is very important to learn the behavior of a stock. So this could happen a lot again. So just keep that in mind. Um, so anyhow, pre-market right now, 4 hour we're getting a dark blue bar on Nvidia. 1 hour is dead cross, which is not a good sign. 30 is downward, 15 same. So if you have a swing overnight, over the weekend, you want to consider locking it open. But if you see a jump up, next target is 947, 954. It did go to 954 pre-market, but then it pulled back, so it's probably gonna be very volatile today. Pre-market high was 954, low was 931. Breaks either one can make a bigger move. Above 954, next target is 965, 973, 982. I'm waiting for the 1000 to come. But if 930 can hold it, 927, 917 is the next target. AVGO, 4 hour, we're getting a dark blue bar on the TTM squeeze. 30 and 1 hour is pointing down, so need to pay attention to the levels. 1341, 1359. Those are the two key levels to watch. Breaks either one can make a bigger move. Above 1359, 1389, 1419. Below 1304. If below 1341, we look at 1320, 1304. Coin, 6 points high, 7 points higher thanks to BTC jump up. So 264, 267 is the next key. Breaks out, be looking at 277 next major level. Netflix, 630, hovering around it right now. 4 hour and 1 hour daily is still kind of flat. 1 hour is golden cross upward. 1530 is bullish, so it's all about 631. Watch again. If 631 can pass it, 631.73, we're looking at 630, 641.81. But as always, keep in mind, Netflix last few months, every time was bullish pre-market, it did happen to straight fall from the open. So 628 if you can hold it, 625, 621, 619. Meta, still holding up strong. 4 hour MACD is dead cross. 1 hour 30 I'm pointing down. So key levels to watch is 503 and 507. If 503 can hold it, we're looking at 501, 499, 497 next major levels. But need to pass 507 to run up again. Tesla got a downgrade or something. Too many haters out there. Daily MACD is still golden cross, which I love it, but the 4 hour very bearish. So 1 hour is kind of flat. Pre-market mixed signal in the shorter time frames. So watch 168, 170, 47. Breaks either one can make a bigger move. Above 170, 47 can run back up to 172, 174, 177, 59. If 168 can hold it, we are looking at 166.07, 161.67, 158.95. But it gives a lot of deep opportunity, but the timing has to be perfect. So yeah, we'll see. Microsoft, 4 hour MACD is dead cross. 1 hour is pointing down. Pre-market 5 and 15 is golden cross. So again, mixed signal there. 424 if you can hold it. 421, 420.1. Need to pass 427.55 for running back up to 428, 430, and 432.15. Google near all-time high. All-time high is 153, I believe. Yeah, so 154 almost. Need to have a strong pass. 155.55 breaks that, then we can run back up to all-time high 152.76, 154.72, and 156.68. If 148.94 can hold it, we are gonna go run down to 146, 144. Pre-market 4 hour, we're getting a dark blue bar. 1 hour 30 is pointing down, so we'll see. You have to watch the levels, see what's gonna happen. AMD, big gap down thanks to Chinese news. 172.28 can hold it. 170.95, 170.12. If 170 breaks, 167, 165, 164.46. 31 hour, 4 hour, everything is pointing down. 4 hour MACD is dead cross. I need a magical 1530 MACD golden cross for running back up. And yep, so yeah. Boeing, big jump up. Thanks for the CEO to leave. I love my Fibonacci level. Just look at this. 196.91 is a major level. Boom. It jumped. 190.7 jump, major pass. Next major 196.91. Looking very bullish pre-market. Need to pass 196.91 is strong. Then it can go to 198, 200, 203.11. But just keep in mind, changing. CEO said he's gonna step down end of 2024, not immediately, and they don't have any replacements so far. It seems like it. So it is possible that it gets sold again. So just keep that in mind. If you see 5 and then 15 and then 30 MACD dead cross, it can lose all its gains. Um, just a possibility that I mentioned. Uh, and SPY. So SPY 517.82 is a key level to watch. If we do break that one, we're gonna have a bigger pullback. But for now, 520, 522, 524, if it goes for recovery. 15 minutes MACD is near golden cross, but it's still 30 and 1 hour and 4 hours pointing down. QQQ, let me just show you. If 517 can hold it, we are looking at 517.82. We're looking at 516, 514.7, 513, 74. QQQ, to 31 hour, 4 hours pointing down, 443, 3 points opening, 3 points lower, and is the weakest index. So 443 if you can hold it, 442, 441, below 441 we're looking at 439, 41, 437.79, 436.79. That's the next major level. IWM more stronger than other names, so 226.7 is a key level to watch. Past that one, 209.13. What else you got here? Disney got an upgrade or something, so this one was a strong pre-market. Watch 117.82. If it passes, we're looking at 119.895, 122.08. Those are the next major level. What else? Let me see here. That's pretty much it on the major names. If you like, you can sign up for the state options service. Most of the other names that interesting. Yeah, Bidu, some got 2 points run up, so 104.64 is a key level to watch. Past that, next majors are 107 and 111. Lulu, let me see. Google, I already did. Um, Lulu, so it did have some nice bounce up Friday. And the 30 minutes MACD is still golden cross. 1 hour is in still golden cross mode, but the 4 hour we still don't have a yellow bar. Need to get a yellow bar or 4 hour MACD golden cross for bigger run up. So the danger is still there. Need to watch to do 401 and 414. So yeah, Friday high was 410 almost. So 410 passes, 414 is the next key. Above that can running up to 420, 427. Need 4 hour MACD golden cross for 427 to come. But if 401 can hold it at 393, and these are the lower level to watch. That's about Lulu. All right, thank you so much for tuning in, and have a beautiful day.